Pax vobiscum. Welcome back to the channel and to another episode of the Vestal Virgin Plays. So, today we are back at it again with Sound of Horses with our pink tack, my favorite. And today we are going to be assisting Margot in moving into her new home since unfortunately the one that her husband built her is falling apart and sounds like should practically be condemned. So we will get her moved along to a better place, and I wonder if that means that dear Lady Hazel here gets to pull a wagon again. But for now, Madison. Good morning. Yes, it's finally moving day. Margot isn't easy to convince, but now it's happening. Fun that so many want to help today. Say hi to Margot for me. Well, I guess on a small island, a dark cloud on the horizon. Oh. That's not good. Just saw that. Oh dear, it's the town bullies. Let's see what they want. At least they waved at us, I guess. Hi, you're going to Margot, right? Unbelievable that you managed to convince that stubborn donkey to move. That's not a very nice way to speak to her. You must be in love with Walter, or I was going to say you. She must be in love with Walter. Haha. We're heading the same way. Come with us so we can ride together. Let's see if you can keep our pace. Oh. I'm going to say ahead of time that probably not, because apparently I am the only person on this island who cares about the well-being of I do care about Lady Hazel, however, we've seen how well I'm able to control her, so... Anyway, Amber, alright, are you ready or what? Well, lead the way. Oh, pardon me, ladies. Goodness gracious, well... Alright, Lady Hazel, it's alright, you don't have to be the fastest. We all know that you are the prettiest, and you are the best warhorse on the island, and that's all I care about, so... Now, why are they so friendly all of a sudden, is my question. Alrighty, well, we've made it. No thanks to these two, going at breakneck speed, but what will you do? Oh wow, are you really ready for tonight's competition? Looks doubtful. Well, good luck then. Come on, Emily, let's go. Oh, well, pardon me, Amber. And then she ran into me. I'm sorry about that, Lady Hazel. That was very rude. Anyway. Oh, look, they even have all the furniture out ready to move. Methinks we will get to drive the wagon again. Margot. Hello, dear. It's chaos here, and the hens got terrified and ran off. I'm so worried. Did you hear the clucking over there? Please, can you help me catch them? Oh, I suppose so, Margot. Others in motion. Oh, goodness, they really ran off, didn't they? Well, Lady Hazel, let us go retrieve some chickens. See if we can do a drive-by. And, one. They even make a little noise. And a two. Cows. Oh, there's one over here. Ah, there you are. It's just a drive-by, Lady Hazel. And one over here. Wait, those aren't cows. They're sheep. Hello, sheep. Pardon me, sheep. Come, Lady Hazel. Let's return our feathered friends. Woo! It's quite the jump. Oh, they packed up quickly. Oh, my darlings, I'm so I wish I could read. I'm so happy you found them. Oh, people just throw money around here, don't they? I'm starting to get tired. Hopefully we can finish everything before the day is over. Now, let's bring the hens and head to the new house. The others are already there. Oh, and we are back on the wagon. And we even have the chickens in back. Alrighty, on our way. I just love how they expand the reins. And so Lady Hazel's pink reins become pink wagon reins. I just find that so fun. And away we go. Alright, luckily it wasn't that far of a drive. Oh. Oops, if we click it. There we go. Time to move completed. Find Walter, Margot home. Well, I came here and stopped. Hello? Hello, how's the day? Well... Was that just a checkpoint? I guess so, Anyway, here we go. Alrighty, here we are, arriving at Margot's new home, all freshly painted with new flowers. Very nice, very nice. Hello, Walter. Oh, great that you brought the last things and the hens, too. It's really busy here. Margot has collected quite a lot over the years. Let's get the last things off the wagon. Let's take a sip of my drink. It feels unusual in the new home, but the peace here makes me get used to it quickly. My hens are happy and the horse is wonderful, and Walter, he reminds me more and more of Oscar. Oh, maybe Margot does have a bit of a crush. I feel ready for a new chapter. Tomorrow I'm looking forward to breakfast with Agnes. Thank you for everything you've done. I'll never forget it. You're welcome, Margot. I do hope you enjoy this next chapter. Oh no, we forgot the mailbox. It's standing there all alone. Can you bring it back for me? Oh, oh! Then return to... Okay, Lily, well, I guess we'll figure this out, won't we? There we go, sorted it out. To the mailbox. Alright. Oh, sorry, Lady Hazel, back up a little, please. Alright, we've got the mailbox. Oh, can I give her a carrot? Oh, I can't feed her while she's pulling the wagon, that's right. Well, let's see if I can allow her to get some water, though, while she's under harness. Oh, I can! Excellent! Well, at least we can do that. I don't think a little bit of grass is going to harm the wagon that much, but... Oh, sorry, Lady Hazel. Just back up a little bit, please. Quite the turn radius. It's alright, we're just turning around. So we can go talk to oh, taking damage. Nope. Well, an interesting mechanic, but I wonder how far you can take it with regards to the damage. Right, Lily. Well done, we have it now. Margot will be so happy when she sees her red mailbox at her new house. Oh, it'll match her house. Perfect that we have the wagon. Jasper wants to give Margot a bigger kitchen table, so let's go pick it up. Oh dear. Find Jasper, the mill. I'm assuming we're supposed to follow Lily. She's already taking off once again. Well, let's see if we can catch up. Alrighty, I think we're in a new area now. We're visiting the mill. I don't believe we've been over here before, but oh, can you imagine living here? Oh, my goodness. What a view. Oh, and he has some very pretty horses over there. I love dapple grays. Hello there. Not close enough. One moment. There we go. Jasper. Hello, girls. You're here to pick up the table for Margot. How's the move going? Are you getting close to being done now? I'm starting to wonder. Over there by the shed is Margot's table. I fixed it up and oiled it so it will last a long time. Iris is with her bees and preparing a small gift. Can you stop by the apiary and pick it up on the way? I'm sure we can. Oh, Lily! Goodness gracious. Alright, we'll pick up the kitchen table and then we will go visit the apiary, which is very fun. It is very nice that everyone is so kind as to help out Margot with everything that she's been going through, So fun that there are even more gifts for Margot. Follow me, I'll show the way to the apiary. Now, if you're on a small island, or I wouldn't necessarily say too small, but if you're on an island like this and all you have is your community, it makes sense that everyone would, hopefully, and should come together in an occasion like this to make sure that someone of their community is taken care of. I very much appreciate the camaraderie that everyone is displaying here, as evidenced by us as well, with the fact that we were given a horse upon arrival. Oh, another horse undercarriage. Hello. Oh, what a beautiful area for your apiary. Hello, so nice to see you. Lovely that you had time to stop by in the middle of all the moving chaos. Here are jars of freshly spun honey. Margot loves having honey on her evening tea. By the way, I'd love to join you. I want to congratulate Margot on her new home. Of course, Iris. I love that her outfit matches her carriage. That's very fun. And that would be a very fun mechanic in the future, too, is if we have the opportunity maybe to... Oh, back up, Lady Hazel. If we had the opportunity to customize our carriage to match our horse's tack or our personality or what have you. Well, we shall see where the customization shall take us. Oh, that is a bush, yes. I do wish there would be maybe a little bit more variety in the horses that the NPCs have. Because I would like to have a rather unique horse myself, but it seems every single horse on the island has the same facial markings as Lady Hazel. Alright, and now to Margot's new home. Alrighty, we've made it to Margot's new home. And we've got a whole bunch of gifts for her, and we're going to ignore at the top right there, or the top left rather, the fact that I ran into a tree earlier. Anyway. Oh, hello, dear Iris. Oh my, what a beautiful table and even more gifts. And my beloved mailbox is here too. Thank you so much for everything. Pardon me. I'm completely exhausted now, but I have so much to tell you. Come in, Iris. We can drink our well-deserved tea with your wonderful honey. Oh. Oscar arranged water and hay down there. Oh, I mean Walter. Goodness, I must be getting tired. It's rather sweet that she's getting sweet on see, I almost did it myself, on Walter, but it is rather sad that affection is coming from affection for a passed-away husband and not for Walter himself, but I guess we'll see where this goes. Lily, hurry, Vera, it's getting late. We'll give the horses some water on the way. Time to warm up before Amber and Emily arrive. Oh, that's right, I forgot about that. Well. Hello, everybody. Evening. Right, there's nothing else to do here. We've helped everybody, and Margot has everything that she needs. So, I guess we're good to go. Lady Hazel, thank you for all your hard work today. It's a shame that you literally are a workhorse. And yet, everyone seems to insist on running you at breakneck speed when you also pull wagons and leap tall trees in a single bound and all that. Alrighty. Oh, and there she goes. Well, let's first take care of Lady Hazel. She is more important. She must be attended to. And there we go. All better. Now, I will say, I do hope there are some future animations with regards to... I wish I could speak today. La 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 la. I wish there were a little bit more animations with regards to the, the petting of your horse, the care, maybe more petting available, if you will. Instead of just sort of patting her on the shoulder. Alright, Lily. We're here and there's a storm in the air. Oh dear, the course is tough and dangerous and this won't be an easy match. Why do we have such a tough and dangerous course? Especially leaping through old rubble. And there's a storm in the air. Oh, the moon is moving very quickly. That's a little disconcerting. Do you see it moving over there? Why is the moon moving? Oh dear. Anyway. And stay alert. Warm up. Alright. Lily, you started off ahead of me. Cheater. Alright. Oh, I just heard some thunder. Lily, I don't think this is a good idea. Oh, I'm sorry, Lady Hazel. Oh, and now it's raining and storming. Oh, this is the perfect night for a little jaunt, isn't it? Oh, I'm sorry, Lady Hazel. Oh, 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 oh. Alright. Oh, sorry. Alright. Oh, I'm sorry. Been thrown off my game by the storm. It is a little bit difficult to see. And now we have some nice calming music as we're fighting for our lives through the storm. And poor Lady Hazel's doing her best with my horrible prompts for jumps. Oh, fell too far and got hurt. Oh, I think... See, this course is too dangerous. Oh, goodness. I'm so sorry, Lady Hazel. Oh, my goodness. Yes, this is not going to be a very even match. I think, Lily, you're going to have to take it home for us, if you will. Oh, goodness. Sorry, Lady Hazel. Lily, I don't think this is a good idea. Oh, great job. The course wasn't easy, but we and the horses were awesome together. Speak for yourself, Lily. Moonlight run on the church hill. Horse skill improved. Oh, good. Well, at least we've got that going for us. Oh, and there they are. Well, look at that. You actually showed up. We never thought you'd dare. Already warmed up, as if that would help. I'll ride with you, Vera. The rain and the thunder make the road treacherous. You never know what might be lurking out there in the darkness. What do you mean? What do you mean, Amber? Come on, show me what you can do. It won't be much, Amber. You're going to be disappointed. Again, me and Lady Hazel are not... This is not our jam, if you will. We're more construction workers, if you will, based off of previous experience, but... Come along, Lady Hazel. Let's give them what for. Oh, great start. I'm so sorry. Come on, Lady Hazel. Let's catch up. Oh, sorry. Oh, what was that? Little glitch in the camera there. Come along, Lady Hazel, we're almost there. We're catching up, come on. Oh, that... Oh! Oh! Oh, goodness! Oh, what was that? Oh, are you scared of ghosts? What do we even need that horse for? I get scared of a simple sheet. How oh, that was dangerous. Anyone would be horrified to see something white suddenly flash in front of their eyes. You scared Lady Hazel, and don't you dare insult her. Oh, you did that because you knew I was going to catch up to you and beat you. There, Lady Hazel, it's all right. Oh, Vera, you all right? Are you hurt? I knew it. I had a bad feeling that something terrible would happen. How could they do that? Come on. We have to get out of here right now. I'm not leaving you alone in the dark. You're sleeping at my place tonight. End of story. Oh, thank you, Lily. I appreciate it, especially after a fright like that. For good measure. That was incredibly cruel. What was the point of that? Well, at least we have Lily. And Lady Hazel did her due diligence, if you will. But that is such a cruel joke to play. And very dangerous, too, especially for poor Lady Hazel. What if she had reared up so much she fell over backwards and hurt herself or us? Amazing. Well, no one has been determined champion yet because they couldn't even fight fair. Oh, where are we going, Lily? Where are we going, Lily? Oh. Why are we weaving around the trees? Oh. There we go. Look at all the horses. Whoop. Thank you, Lily. Let's feed Lady Hazel. Actually, no, we don't need to because I think we're hitting the end of the day. Hold on. Whoop. Sorry. There we go. Finally home. Oh, what a relief. The stay has been long, a day that shook us all. Say that again. The darkness has settled, but the heart still carries the worries of the night. Level up. We'll sneak in quietly and say nothing to Tom. Come now, Vera. Here at our place, we're safe. Oh, thank you. So kind. Well, at least we have a friend in Lily. It certainly is not going to be Amber or the others. Now, I felt that relatively short, so I think we'll go ahead and move on to the next day while we are here. A new day rises and the world feels full of possibilities. Oh, but something is wrong. Oh, what's wrong? Hold on, Lily, before I discuss what is wrong with you, let me make sure to feed Lady Hazel, especially after the trying day she had yesterday. Oh. Sorry, are you not hungry? Something is wrong. Oh, Lady Hazel's not eating. Are you all right, Lady Hazel? Good morning, Vera. I didn't want to wake you. You were sleeping so deeply. Now that the darkness is gone, everything feels safer, right? I gave the horses breakfast, but Lady Hazel won't eat. Maybe she got scared after last night's adventure. Here, try this juicy apple and see if she reacts. No, she didn't want the carrot. She didn't want hay. Would you like an apple, Lady Hazel? Not even the apple? Then we should talk to Tom. He knows Lady Hazel better than anyone. But I don't dare tell him that we were out last night. I think he's over by the barn unloading hay. The silent revenge. What is happening? If anything happens to Lady Hazel, it is over. Yeah, let me make... Oh, I can't even do anything for her. Oh. By the way, I have to tell you what happened. I went to town to buy breakfast, and outside Rachel's shop Amber was helping her mother. She saw me, froze, and right then my horse bit her on the arm. I was shocked. My horse? She's never bitten anyone before. Feels like she got revenge for what happened last night. It's unbelievable. Maybe horses understand more than we think. Honestly, good for your horse. Actually, I don't think I actually know Lily's horse's name, but we're going to call her... Dusty. Lily and Dusty. Alright, where's Tom? Hello, Tom. I do love Tom's horse. Good morning. Did you sleep well? How are things? You look a bit tense. Did something happen? I woke up early to take care of the horses, and Lady Hazel won't eat or drink. Vera tried... Well, she did drink, at least. Vera tried giving her an apple, and not even that worked. Lady Hazel seems fine, and I don't see any visible injuries. But we should ride to Caleb to make sure nothing serious is wrong. I just need to finish up with my horses in the paddock, and you can wait for me. I want to show you a place where I find peace. Come, follow me. Oh, well, thank you, Lily. Lily's friendship bench. Bye, Tom. Oh. Lily and Dusty are daredevils indeed. Oh, I'm sorry. Lady Hazel, no wonder you won't eat, because I can't ride you properly. Again, it would be interesting in the future to have actual sort of friendship and or romance meters in this game. So that way it's, you know, if the story were to evolve after a point in time, these would be sort of unlockable things. Here's my special place. My dad built this bench for me and Mom. I miss him so much sometimes. But here it feels like I can still talk to him. Oh, Lily, thank you for showing me this. That is most kind. When I was little, I used to sit here with Mom. Sometimes we talked, sometimes we just sat quietly and looked out. Our dad died in the mine accident, and Mom couldn't stay on the island after that. Oh, that is sad. I come here sometimes, but it never feels quite the same. Everything keeps moving around me while I feel stuck. But then you came, and suddenly everything feels a bit lighter. I'm really glad to have you as a friend. Oh, thank you, Lily. That means a lot. Oh, and here comes Tom on his proud steed. Uh-oh, another storm. There you are. We have to go now. The storm is coming faster than I thought. If we don't ride right away, the road to Caleb could get dangerous. Come on, follow me. We'll take the shortcut before the rain catches us. Oh, goodness. The storm approaches. Oh, Lady Hazel, I'm so sorry you don't feel good. So let's kick into gear. Oh. Intense music. There you go, Lady Hazel. I don't know, Tom. I think the rain caught us. At least we have Tom, and he can lead us to victory, as it were. And he also did raise Lady Hazel, apparently, so... Interesting choice, having jumps positioned right across the trails. I think that makes it a little bit difficult for the wagons to get around, probably. But for catching up with Tom, I want to ride with Tom. Oh, wrong way. Sorry, Lady Hazel. We were catching up with Tom. Again, I'm a romantic at heart, so if there's any sort of possibility at all for any game to have any sort of romance mechanic, I am all for it. Oh my, riding through the canyon. Well, at least we caught up with Tom, and Lily for once is behind me. Oh, I spoke too soon. Oh. I foresee some potential washed-out bridges in our future. Poor Lady Hazel, she has no appetite, and yet here we are, just running at breakneck speed through the mountains. Uh-oh, what's going to happen here? Looks like the storm is moving on. Maybe it'll clear up soon. Let's keep moving. Oh. Horse skill improved, so we have that going for us, but I guess we just stopped to admire the scenery for a moment. Poor Lady Hazel. Getting thirsty and hungry. I know she's getting hungry, poor dear. Hopefully the vent can help. Oh, and it did move on, thank goodness. It's hard to see there for a moment. But I do enjoy this. It's not just you all the time, just running, just you and your horse around. You actually have a posse, if you will, and you're actually riding with other people. It gives that sort of sense of togetherness that I think a lot of horse games are missing. A lot of horse games, I felt for a while, you know, you had the realism in some ways, but it was missing a story, it was missing character. And this is very nice in that way, to see a story and character to come back again. Oh, Lily, pardon me. Oh, 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 there we go. Hello, Caleb. Hello, you two, and welcome. You too? What about me? You arrived just as the rain stopped. You made it through the storm that came out of nowhere. What happened? Please look after Lady Hazel. She stopped eating, you said. I agree with Tom. Her condition looks good. She moved well when you arrived. Feels like something else is bothering her. Has anything happened recently that could have affected her? Uh-oh. All right. Thank you, Lily, for speaking the truth. I want to tell you, Amber and Emily scared Lady Hazel during the night race. They threw a sheet in front of her in the dark and she panicked completely. Maybe that's why she hasn't been herself. I really hope she didn't get hurt. I'm sorry, Tom. I'm sorry. What, you raced at night? That was really careless. In the dark with a young horse? Of course she got scared. Yes, I know. I said so. I don't understand why they always have to do such dangerous things. Don't blame Amber and Emily. We'll talk more about this at home. Goodbye for now. Oh, Tom, I'm sorry to have disappointed you. I think last night's events awakened something inside her, something that's been resting. Up there in the mountains behind the house you'll find healing herbs. Let her find the one she wants. Horses often know better than we do what they need. Let her lead the way, Vera. Maybe we can learn something from her today. Oh, is Lady Hazel special? I mean, I know she is, obviously. Let's go give her some water, though, really quick. We can at least do that for her. Right. I can at least brush her and pet her and tell her what a pretty pony she is. And then she'll tell me what she needs. Alrighty. Lady Hazel, show me what you want. Is this what you want? Is this what you want? No? Alright, let's try over here. What about this one? Oh, sorry. Not that one. Or, yes? I'm not sure. It said 3 out of 4. Healing herbs completed. Well, Lady Hazel, if that's what you needed to be happy, then so be it. Oops. There we go. You're back and she ate some herbs up there, you said? It's like she knew exactly what she was looking for. The liver poppy available. Poppy has been here at the clinic for several days now. I was supposed to bring her to Magdalena today. Could you take her there for me, Vera? Oh. In the meantime, I'll head up the mountain and gather more of the herbs that Lady Hazel found. I'm going to make a brew that can help her find her inner balance. Her inner balance. Oh, Lady Hazel. Deliver Poppy. Oh. Well, and I guess he is a holistic vet, in a way, but I'm glad Lady Hazel was fine regardless. Maybe she just needed something for a little bit of extra courage, as it were. Oh. Lily, where are we going? And she's actually just right here, so easy peasy. It's a very pleasant little cottage. Hello. Oh, thank you so much. You came just in time. I've missed Poppy a lot. I'm really grateful. I wish... Why can't I read? Really grateful that she finally got the help she needed. Feed the flying friends. I need to stay here with Poppy, but the birds by the lake are probably waiting. They're used to me coming down every day. Could you feed them for me? Oh, I guess so. Pardon me. And there goes Lily. Oh. Ducks. Feed the flying friends. Right. Oh, Lady Hazel. Goodness gracious, girl. Keep it together. Oh, oh, there it is. I was going to say, where's the little thingy? There it is. And the next one is a little bit farther up this way, it seems. Oh, yes. There goes Lily. Goodness, Lily, not even going to wait for me. Alright, we have fed the flying friends, and now we'll go back to Magdalena. Oh, I'm sorry, Lady Hazel, you're right. Slow down there a moment so you can rest. Magdalena, oh thank you, dear ones. I heard the birds from here. They sounded so happy. Here, take some freshly baked cookies as thanks. Oh, well, thank you. It's getting late. Let's ride back to Caleb. He's waiting for us. I really hope Poppy will be happy and lively again, Magdalena. Goodbye for now. Back to Caleb. We'll see what he was able to do with those herbs. Oh, what a lovely little greenhouse. Oh, I do so want a greenhouse. One day. One day. If I had my way, I would have an entire estate, and it would just be beautiful gardens and greenhouses and farmland, and I would grow fresh food and donate it to the community. Oh, such dreams. Alright. And now on our way back to Caleb. Caleb has quite the house. See, this would be a lovely setup, a large enough house for me to host. Beautiful grounds, lots of horses. Caleb, you came back. I understand why Magdalena missed Poppy. I've started making the health drink for Lady Hazel. We hope it will help her, but it needs several hours to gain strength. Oh, sleep over at Caleb's! I was going to say, I would love a house this large to be able to host, and what would you know, but we are getting to stay at the house. Tomorrow, a very special horse trainer will arrive. She has a unique ability to understand a horse's emotions and combines training and therapy to help them feel better. I hope Isabel, can help us understand what's going on with your horse. Oh, well, that was fortuitous. It's been a long day, so please stay here for the night. Give the horses water and hay over there by the stables. Caleb, that is very kind. And again, when you're part of a community like this, it makes sense, that, we'll just sleep in the spare room or stay over here, all that sort of thing. Very fun. Pardon me, Lily. Lady Hazel also requires water. I'm getting really tired. It's been such a long day. Oh, here comes Robert. Robert, what's going on? Something the matter, Robert? Oh, there you are. I biked as fast as I could. Last night, Lazarus saw a bright light over the old mines again. I'm afraid history is repeating itself. We need to go there right now and see what's happening. Hurry, I'll show you the way. Oh, goodness. Well, thank you for the offer, Caleb. Going up the mountain again. Let's see what's going on with the mine. Oh, dear. I was hoping Robert would jump the jump, but with his bike. That would be very funny. And I mean, kudos to him. He must be fit as a fiddle to be able to ride like that. Oh. Danger. Keep out. Methinks we should keep out because there is danger nearby. We're here. This is where the lights come from. We need to get the boards off now. We'll kick the boards away with the help of the horses. If you mean with the help of Lady Hazel. That's what I'm hearing. Lady Hazel, be a warhorse. Good girl. All right, now we have a clear path inside. Oh, let's be careful here. The ground is loose. Stay close. Take it slow. Oh, dear. Lily, that's not taking it slow. Goodness. I wonder how old we all are. Are we in our late teens, early 20s? I'm going to say probably early 20s. Oh my gosh, what is... Oh. What is that? Oh my. There is magic. The horses aren't scared, they're drawn to the stone. I can't steer, my horse won't listen to me. Oh my, what is... It looks like some sort of ancient stone. Oh. And the horses are going faster and faster. What is happening? Sparks? But what's happening? It's gone. And the light disappeared. Investigate the ravine. Completed. Return to Lily. I'm not doing anything right now. That is all Lady Hazel. The horses were... Oh! I was speaking before about, it's the magic aliens. It looks like there is magic! Some sort of ancient monument or something? Oh, fascinating, fascinating. Lily, what happened? Have you ever seen anything like that? I'm scared. What is going on here? Incredible. I didn't know what to think, but I still managed to take a few pictures. We need to find out what's really happening here. It's truly frightening. I'm leaving. Robert. Robert says I'm out. Vera, I saw something sparkle over there. Come on, let's check it out. Let's be careful, Lily. The black stone. Interesting. Oh, I should get off my horse first. Blackstone crystal core. Oh, I wonder what that's all about. Lily, look what I found. Wow, these are the crystals they mined before everything was shut down. They're rare, but after the earthquake, you can sometimes find them on the surface. Dad told me that people long ago believed they held some kind of magical power. You can understand why. They almost glow in the dark. Take a few if you dare. I'll wait here. Oh? Sure, I'll take a few more. Who knows, they might come in handy. I believe there are only 3 of them. Actually, let me first take care of Lady Hazel. Seems to be quite a bit of mice around here. Oh, righty. Lily? We have to go back now. Wait. Oh, wait, do you hear that? They sounded like galloping horses. They rushed past us and just vanished. Come on, this place is haunted. Let's get out of here. Actually, yes, that's... Oh, we just suddenly heard the sound of horses galloping, and then our horses, without us doing anything, just began circling the monument as if paying homage to it or something. That was that is very unique and fascinating. I cannot wait to see where this story is going. Some sort of magical monument that affects the horses, maybe related to horses. And the name of the game is Sound of Horses, and what did we just hear? The sound of horses. Oh, this is fascinating. I can't wait to see where this is going to go. Right, now we get a good night's rest. Oh, Lily, that was quite a day. Feels good to be back. I hope we didn't wake Caleb. Should we tell him what we saw and what we heard? It's probably best if we keep this to ourselves. I think for now we probably should. Night falls. Rest up, tomorrow will be a big day. It sounds like it. Hello, Caleb. Hello, girls. What are you doing out this late? You look so pale. I woke up from the thunder, and I could swear I heard galloping horses. But the sky is clear now, full of stars, and yet the air feels different. I don't understand any of this. You should get some rest. Tomorrow will be a long day. I'll take care of the horses and give Lady Hazel the health drink that's ready now. Well, thank you, Caleb. That is most kind. As if me and Lily are going to sleep. We're going to be staying up all night theorizing about that giant black rock and the monument, or monument if you will, and what it means with the crystals and the galloping horses and so forth. Very fascinating. I am so curious to see where the rest of the story is going. I've been thoroughly enjoying this game. And again, the fact that you have friends that you're running about with, you have the elements of taking care of your horse, but it's not necessarily a hyper-realistic focus. I do wish there was a little bit more in that regard, and of course, more customization. But I'm always about more customization. But yes, again, intriguing. The story is very intriguing, and I can't wait to play the next episode and see what day 9 will have in store for us. So, what are your theories about what's going on? Is that a monument, some sort of ancient magical giant crystal core? What do you think is going on the Isle of Homeland? Please let me know in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for joining me, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Vobiscum. Goodbye.